Down inside. No one's going anywhere.
No one's going anywhere on so many levels. Jasmine and Amy, we are definitely hunkered down for so many reasons, but of course, one of them being the rain. So let's talk about the rain. We're getting a live look, again, a live look at radar this evening, or this afternoon. Technically, we're not quite in the evening hours. It feels like it because it's been so dark and gloomy and gray and ominous, and that's going to continue as we move into the next few hours here. We're expecting widespread rain to stay with us, and some of the heavier pockets coming through our mountain communities where snow levels are still quite high. So instead of getting snow, we're getting rain, and lots of it. We could get up to 6 inches once everything is said and done in our mountain communities. We're looking at a little bit of snow as well, but above 8,000 feet, so still at very high elevations. Eventually, snow levels will drop down just a little bit, and as they do, we are expecting low snow levels as low as 3,500 feet, so the grapevine a big concern. Right now, Big Bear, mostly rain, a little bit of slush, which is the pink on your screen, rain snow mix, and a few flurries in the higher elevations. And take a closer look. We do have some heavier cells moving into Lake Elsinore from the Santa Ana Mountain and foothills. Of course, Silverado Canyon, a big concern with the bonfire burn area, and we'll continue to monitor it for you tonight. At the moment, we don't have official warnings up, just watches, and eventually we could see advisories. So a good indicator is kind of what happened in Santa Barbara County. The rain moved through. Rainfall rates were at 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch an hour. We got some minor debris flows, rock slides, but again, more debris on the roadway. So we'll see a similar kind of thing here in Southern California, and we're expecting to see these steady showers at least through 10 p.m. tonight, with the chance for thunderstorms tomorrow. So we've got flood watches up and wind advisories up. And remember, up to 6 inches of rain once everything is said and done, and another chance on the way for Saturday on Christmas, and then again on and off next week, both rain and mountain snow. You'll see that right there. For now, though, Amy, Jasmine, back to you.